In this video, we're going to cover replacing the battery backup unit. Now, the first thing we're going to do, if it hasn't already occurred, we're going to turn off the computer. And in this instance, we're going to do Control-Delete and then hit the power button in the bottom right-hand corner. And whenever the computer's completely turned off, we're going to go down to the battery backup unit down on the floor. In some instances, it might already have shut off. In others, it might be beeping with an overload or a replace battery light blinking. In that case, we're just going to press the power button once. You'll hear it beep, and then all the lights should shut off. And then whenever that is turned off, we're going to go to the back of the battery backup unit, and we are going to follow the power cord coming out of the bottom of the unit to where it meets the wall. And we're going to unplug it, and then we're going to take, you should only have one connection in the back of the battery backup unit, and that should run to your power strip. So we're going to unplug that cable from the back of the battery backup. We're going to plug it right into the wall where the battery backup unit was plugged in. And then we're going to take this out of the equation and move it to the side. Now at this point, your computer and all the components should have power, but they will not be protected by the battery backup's surge protection. So at this point, we're waiting for a replacement. Whenever you do get the replacement, we're going to turn off the computer again, so Control-Delete, and then the power button in the bottom right-hand corner. And then we're going to take the replacement battery backup. We're going to put it right back where the old one used to be. And we're going to unplug the power strip from the wall and plug it in to the left side of the battery backup, which is the battery side. And it doesn't matter which of the three ports in that side you use. And then we're going to take the power cord for the battery backup, and we will plug that in directly to the wall outlet. And once everything is plugged in and you have your cables set how you want them, we'll just hit the power button on the front of the battery backup unit, and it will go through its boot up process. This usually takes 10 to 15 seconds, but eventually we want the online light to be a solid green with no other lights turned on. So at this point, the battery backup's booted up, and we can go ahead and turn on the power to the computer, and all the other devices should automatically turn on.